In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Discord password if you forgot it. Forgetting passwords happens to everyone, especially if you haven't logged into an account for a while or you usually rely on auto login. The good news is that Discord makes it pretty simple to reset your password and get back into your account safely. By the end of this video, you'll know how to reset your Discord password step by step using your email or phone number, and I'll also share a few tips to help keep your account secure in the future. Let's jump right in. First, open the Discord app on your computer or phone. If you're already logged into your account but forgot your current password, you may notice that Discord asks for the old password before allowing you to create a new one. For example, if you go into user settings and try to change your password directly, Discord will ask you to enter the current password first. But since we forgot it, we need to use the password reset method instead. So here's what you need to do. Start by going to the bottom left corner of Discord and click the gear icon to open user settings. Once the settings page opens, you can scroll around and you may even see the change password section. However, because you don't know the old password, don't try changing it from there. Instead, scroll down on the left-hand side until you find the log out option. Click on it and confirm that you want to log out of your account. Now, you'll be taken back to the Discord login screen. Here, enter the email address or phone number connected to your Discord account. Right below the password field, you'll see a link that says Forgot Your Password. Go ahead and click that. Discord will now send a password reset email to the email address connected to your account. So open your email inbox and look for the message from Discord. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or junk folder because sometimes reset emails can end up there by mistake. Once you open the email, you'll see a button or link that says Reset Password. Click on it. This will open a secure Discord page where you can create a brand new password. Now choose a strong password that you haven't used before. A good password should include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols whenever possible. Try to avoid using very simple passwords like your name or birth year because those are easier to guess. After entering your new password, click Change Password or Save. And that's it. Your Discord password has now been successfully updated. At this point, you can return to the Discord app and sign back into your account using the new password you just created. Now, before we finish, here are a couple of quick security tips. First, if you tend to forget passwords often, consider using a password manager. These tools safely store your passwords so you don't have to remember every single one manually. Second, it's a really good idea to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code when logging in from a new device. That way, even if someone gets your password, your account still stays protected. Overall, resetting a forgotten Discord password is actually pretty quick once you know where to look. And that's it for this tutorial. You now know how to reset and change your Discord password if you forgot it. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like because it really helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more Discord tutorials, account fixes, and easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.